Hey guys, the internet is not working on this vehicle, Volvo XC90 2017. So this is a way to check for connectivity. You scroll down this window, go to settings. Okay, we're gonna check our communication. Press communication and go to vehicle modem internet. You see it's not selected, so that's why we don't have internet. Sometimes it does that. I don't know why. When people do software or something like that, this box will be blank. So let's select it. See, and after that the internet should be working. So this is an easy way I have to check connectivity. Thank you guys.